Right, back on the headset. Yeah, you're marginally lower in what shall we say? Volume of audio, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, Craig. Well, thanks a lot for that. That's good to know anyway. It's good to get that report. You know, it's a lot of these guys, when you talk to them on the radio, they can't be bothered with stuff like this, and I don't have anyone locally I can speak to. But yeah, it's good to know, and I'll get to hear what the Syncal sounds like, which is good. But you're sounding good on the whip tonight, mate. Honestly, you're quite good. I mean, you're not 5 and 9 like you are on the 8 metre wire, but you're not far off of it. You're about sort of anywhere between a 5 and 3 and 5 and 7. You're drifting up and down all the time, Craig. Over.
Yeah, QSL were to be expected, to be honest, because it's only the whip, and with a couple of counterpoises chucked over the side of the bunker, and I'm up. I'm probably up another 10 metres higher than where I normally have the 8 metre vertical, because I'm up at the top of the observation post, and in the videos you can see the view of the whole of La Coruña below me. So I'm at the highest point in Galicia practically. There's lovely sea mist over there. You see that? Lovely. Anyway, yeah, I'm videoing it all. So yeah, I'll send the video now.